Are you preparing for the Accountant BS16? Then don't miss these MCQs because the previous papers often reveal the examiner's favorite topics. Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Merit Mission FPSC PPSC. This is the part 1 of the Deputy Accountant BS16 Morning Past Paper 2019 series. In this video, we will discuss the first 50 MCQs with the quick explanations. So let's start with MCQs number 1. Identify the word most, opposite, and meaning to the viable. The options are feasible, motionless, unworkable, corrective. And the right answer is unworkable. Question number 2 is the world's second largest and the second most populous continent is Asia, Australia, South America, Africa. And the right answer is Africa. Question number 3 is Angkor Wat is an ancient city of Cambodia, Congo, Zimbabwe, Zambia. And the right answer is Cambodia. Next question is, at the event of the Miraj, which ibadat became mandatory first? Fasting, 5 prayers, zakat, jihad. And the right answer is 5 prayers. Question number 5 is, who presented the poor man budget of the United India interim government? Ghulam Muhammad, Liaquat Ali Khan, Sardar Abdul Rab Nishtar, Sardar Patel. And the right answer is Liaquat Ali Khan. Question number 6 is, the first chairman of the Senate was Habibullah Khan Marwat, Sayyid Afzal Agha, Ghulam Ishaq Khan, Wasim Sajjad. And the right answer is Habibullah Khan Marwat. Next one is, change the narration. He looked at the boy sternly and asked him, what did you run away for? The options are, he looked at the boy sternly and inquired of him, what did he run away for? He looked at the boy sternly and asked him that what he had run away with. Number 3 is, he looked at the boy sternly and asked him what he had run away for. Option D is, he looked at the boy sternly and asked him what had made him run away. And the right answer is option number C. He looked at the boy sternly and asked him what he had run away for. Next one is, which country was the host of the FIFA 2018 World Cup? USA, Brazil, Sweden, Russia. And the right answer is Russia. Next one is, what is an endemic disease? Disease is generally prevalent in a particular area. Disease with high incident all over the country. Diseases affecting the children under 5 years. Diseases brought to the country by travelers and livestock. And the right answer is, diseases generally prevalent in a particular area. Next one is, what is 11 in binary? 1001, 1011, 1100, or 4 times 1. The right answer is 1011. Question number 11 is, the first child who accepted the Islam was Abu Bakr Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha, Hazrat Umar Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha, Hazrat Usman Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha, Hazrat Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha. And the right answer is Hazrat Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha. Next is, Amir Taimur invaded India in 1398, 1399, 1340, 1341. And the right answer is 1398. 40 multiplied by 5.9. Simply it's a multiplication question and the right answer is 236. Next one is, Faisal Mosque in Islamabad was designed by dash architecture. Pakistani, Turkish, Egyptian, Moroccan. And the right answer is Turkish. Next one is, which country has started the world's first hydrogen powered train? Germany, Italy, China, none of these. And the right answer is Germany. Question number 16 is, Agartala conspiracy was instigated by Faiz Ahmad Faiz, Sorish Kashmiri, Mujibur Rahman, Maulana Bashani. And the right answer is Mujibur Rahman. Next one is, which prophet of Allah had the minimum age? Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. And the right answer is Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Dash is the largest dam of Pakistan. Tarbela, Mangla, Warsek, Gomal Dam. And the right answer is Tarbela Dam. And it is the largest earth-filled dam in the world and the largest dam in the Pakistan by the structural volume. Question number 19 is, laudable means profitable, lovable, affectionate, commendable. And the right answer is commendable. Next one is, when did jihad become mandatory in Islam? 1 after Hijri, 2 after Hijri, 3 after Hijri, 4 after Hijri. And the right answer is 2 after Hijri. Question number 21 is, Ramadan is the dash month of the Islamic calendar? 9th, 11th, 10th, or 12th? And the right answer is 9th. Next one is, which was the first country that recognized Pakistan after its independence? Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Iran. And the right answer is Iran. Next one is, who is the 37th Chief of Staff of the US Army? Bush 1, Franklin, Mark Alexander Milley, DeFay John. And the right answer is Mark Alexander Milley. 17th MENA, Middle East and the North Africa World Economic Forum was held in which country? Sri Lanka, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Iran. And the right answer is Jordan. In a group of 550 students, 42% go to a tour. How many students go to a tour? And the right answer is 231. Pure gold is dash carat gold. 12 carat gold, 14 carat, 22 carat, 24 carat. And the right answer is 24 carat. Next one is, in which year did the Kargil conflict take place between India and Pakistan? 1999, 1998, 2000, 2001. And the right answer is 1999. Next is, the word agriculture short is known to be used sometime in which among the following sports? Cricket, hockey, table tennis, golf. And the right answer is cricket. Okay, next one is maths question. Simplify the equation. Just remember the DMAS concept. Division, multiplication, and addition, and then subtraction. First of all, we have to solve the brackets and then DMAS rule. And the right answer is 9. Question number 30. Two Pakistani test cricketers have got out on 199 runs. One of them was Yunus Khan. Who was the other one? Hanif Mohammad, Majid Khan, Javed Miandad, Mudassir Nazar. And the right answer is Mudassir Nazar. And the Mudassir Nazar was famously dismissed on 199 runs against India at Faisalabad in 1984. Next one is, Charles de Gaulle Airport is situated in New York, Paris, London, Switzerland. And the right answer is Paris. Next question is, which province of the Pakistan is known as the Babul Islam? Punjab, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh. And the right answer is Sindh. It's called Babul Islam or the Gateway of Islam because the Muhammad bin Qasim entered India through this region. Question number 33 is, Yunus Khan is the first Pakistani to complete the 10,000 runs in Test cricket. Who was the first batsman to score the 10,000 runs in Test cricket? Alan Border, Sunil Gavaskar, Brian Lara, Garfield Sobber. And the right answer is Sunil Gavaskar. Question number 34 is, the antonym of pseudonym is real name, famous name, assumed name, mentality. And the right answer is real name. Volga is the main river of Brazil, Russia, France, or none of these. And the right answer is Russia. Question number 36 is, Chilam Joshi is the festival of Dir, Kalash, Sakardu, Hunsa. And the right answer is Kalash. Which of the following countries is not a member of the SAARC? Maldives, Bhutan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. And the right answer is Myanmar because Myanmar is a member of ASEAN. Next one is, when was the first PTV program broadcast? November 1964, September 1964, October 1964, December 1964. And the right answer is November 1964. Amicus Curiae is most expensive lawyer, arbitrator appointed by the court of law, eminent jurist, friend of the court, and disinterested advisor. And the right answer is friend of the court and disinterested advisor. Which of the following continent has the lowest natural population growth rate? Europe, North America, Africa, or Asia? And the right answer is Europe. Next one is, Pakistan's National Alliance started mass protest against the government of Ayub Khan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Ziaul Haq, Pervez Musharraf. And the right answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. What does to be in two minds means? To be uncertain, to work on someone else's advice, to be dominated by someone, to be unsound mind. And the right answer is to be uncertain. Next one is, what will be the least common multiple of the 5, 15, 20, and 25? 100, 200, 300, or the 400? The right answer is 300. Next one is, what is the largest font size available in the drop-down menu of the MS Word 2016? 72, 76, 78, 82. And the right answer is 72. The standard graphical drop-down formatting selection menu in the Microsoft Word caps value at the font size 72. Next one is, identify the wrong spelling. The first one is the wrong spelling. All the other ones are correct. Transfer, tranquil, calmness are the correct, and the first one is wrong. Next one is, which Umayyad ruler was called the Umar Sani? Hazrat Amir Muawiyah, Marwan, Abdul Malik, Umar bin Abdul Aziz. And the right answer is Umar bin Abdul Aziz. He is known as the Umar Sani. Which country hosted the Conference on Dialogue of Asian Civilization in May 2019? India, Pakistan, China, Malaysia. And the right answer is Malaysia. Next one is, the Simon Commission included the Indian members. 1, 2, 3, none. No Indians. And the right answer is no Indians. The Simon Commission sent to India in 1928 was widely boycotted because it was an all-British body containing no Indian representatives. The next one is, the name of the first Pakistani aircraft is JF-17 Thunder, JF-8 Thunder, JF-9 Thunder, JF-11 Thunder. And the right answer is JF-17 Thunder. It is co-developed and assembled in Pakistan. The last one is, which of the following river is not found in Pakistan? Swan, Beas, Kunar, Gizar. And the right answer is Beas River. That's all for today. We'll see you in next part.